Today we will start exercise 6.3. Here the first question is in figure. Sides QP and RQ, QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T. If angle SPR equals to 135, angle PQT equals to 110, find angle PRQ. Now in question first, now angle SPR equals to 135 degree and angle PQT equals to 110 degree. Now let this is angle 1. Now angle 1 plus 135 degree equals to 180 degree by linear pair. Therefore angle 1 equals to 180 minus 135, which is equals to 45 degree. Now by exterior angle theorem, the sum of two interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. Therefore angle 1 plus angle PRQ equals to 110. Angle 1 equals to 45 degree plus angle PRQ equals to 110. Therefore angle PRQ equals to 110 minus 45, which is equals to 65 degree. Now in question number second, in figure 6.40, angle x equals to 62, xyz equals to 54, yo and zo are the bisectors of angle xyz and xzy. We have to find ozy and yoz. Now in triangle xyz, angle xyz equals to 54 degree and angle x equals to 60 degree. Therefore by angle sum property of triangle, angle x plus angle xyz plus angle xzy equals to 180 degree. Angle x equals to 62, xyz is 54 plus angle xzy equals to 180 and angle xzy equals to 180 degree minus 116, angle xzy equals to 64 degree. Now OY is bisector of xyz. OY is bisector of angle xyz. Therefore angle OYZ equals to half of angle xyz, which is equals to 1/2 multiply 54, which is equals to 27 degree. Now again OZ is bisector of angle xzy. Therefore angle OZY equals to half of angle xzy, which is equals to 1/2. xzy equals to 64, which is equals to 32 degree. Now in triangle O, OYZ by angle sum property, angle OYZ plus OZY plus YOZ equals to 180 degree. Angle OYZ is 27 plus OZY is 32 plus angle YOZ equals to 180 degree. Now 59 degree plus YOZ equals to 180. Angle YOZ equals to 180 degree minus 59 degree, which is equals to 121 degree. Now in question number 3 in figure 6.41, AB is parallel to DE. Angle BAC is 35, angle CDE is 53. We have to find angle DCE. Now AB is parallel to DE, given angle BAC equals to 35 degree and angle CDE equals to 53 degree. Because AB is parallel to DE, therefore angle BAC equals to angle CED. Angle BAC equals to CED by alternate interior angles. Angle BAC equals to 35, therefore angle CED equals to 35. Now in triangle DCE by angle sum property, angle CDE plus angle CED plus angle DCE equals to 180 degree. Angle CDE is 53 plus CED is 35 plus angle DCE equals to 180 degree. Now 88 degree plus angle DCE equals to 180 degree. Angle DCE equals to 180 degree minus 88 degree, which is equals to 92 degree.